Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can reset password on Yubo. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to your profile icon on your top right corner, and from here go to settings. Once you are in the settings, just go to account option and then go to login methods. Over here you'll be finding this create password option. Just go over here and now just have your new password and confirm it. So there are criteria. It says 8 characters, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase, 1 number and 1 special character. Once you do that all, just press on the stick and your password will be resetted. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.